Hello, Brian Nelson here, and I'm going to show you how to add some underscore to what a piano player might play in a worship environment. First of all, here's an example using Logic Pro, what one of these underscores from kcmusicstudio.com sounds like. I'm not going to play the whole thing. They're broken out into 3 sections here though, and I'm not going to repeat them, but the first part kind of sounds like this. Section B. Alright, so kind of bland, but what happens if we add just some drone to that? So over here I have main stage setup, and I'm going to just drone in the key. So we're in the key of F, so I'm going to hold down an F and then a C. So this is a perfect fourth that has the root on the top and then the fifth on the bottom. So we're going to hold these 2 notes down. And then what we're going to do is, this would actually be enough. If we just played this, this is what it would sound like with the underscore. So it adds kind of a nice atmosphere to this. And you can drone all the way through. Here's into section B. And that's nice, but what would happen if we add some bass to this? So you'll notice that with main stage here, they actually have in some of their patches built in by Worship Essentials like this bass figure, and you'll notice that the bass is this green range here on the keyboard, and basically this bass note will work all the way up until D, but as soon as I hit E flat and these notes above it doesn't, because it's not the green area. But this pad will actually work in everything. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the pad for the top part and then the bass for the bass support, and it ends up being very nice. I'm just going to follow where the piano goes in the left hand. Hear how nice this sounds. So let's see if I can start this, and I'm going to launch Logic Pro. See if I can get rid of that for you. Hear how nice that sounds? Follow up to the D. So you have to know where your piano player is going. I'm going to go on to section C here. Down on the G again. I'm just droning in my right hand. My left hand is following the bass line. Hear how nice that sounds? It just kind of completes and supports what the piano is doing fully. And then we'll end here on the F. So that's basically what you want to do on an underscore. Anytime that you have the piano playing and they don't have pads by themselves, there's a second keyboard player, you want to support not only with the drone, but also with the bass note as the piano follows. Now, if you're not quite sure in the rehearsal where the piano is going, you may need to have a conversation ahead of time and just say, hey, how many sections-ish do you think you might repeat section A or B? Some musicians, they can just listen very well by ear and they know exactly where the piano player is going when they bounce around, and they kind of wait for the piano player to move, but you are ready with your left hand to move wherever they go. That's how you underscore and support.